Hello everyone, myself Nivedita Bose from Easy Electrical, your GS faculty for Rapid Revision series. Today is 12th of October 2021. We will be starting our SSC JEE non-technical portion. At first, we will deal with the subject Environment, Ecology and Computer. Before that, I would like to give you a brief introduction about our paid course SSC JEE 2021. This includes technical and non-technical portion, practice problems, month-wise tests and notes. What we specialize in is that we provide you with classroom recordings free for lifetime, which is otherwise chargeable in other institutions. Now coming to the today's topic. The first question is which of the animals are found in wild and natural habitat in India? The options are chimpanzee, gorilla, cheetah and snow leopard. Here the correct answer is snow leopard. Next, the highest per capita emitter of carbon dioxide in the world is USA, China, Qatar and Saudi Arab. Here the correct option is Qatar. Now coming to the next question. The thickness of stratospheric ozone layer is measured in or on. Here there are four options. The correct answer is Dobson unit. It is the most important and common question from ecology. The world ecology was coined in 1866 by Charles Darwin, Robert Whittaker, Arthur Transley, and Ernest Haeckel. You must try yourself first, then see the solution. Here the correct answer is Ernest Haeckel. Next, consider the following: 1 algae, 2 bacteria, and number 3 fungi. Which of the following is or autotrophs? The autotrophs are who makes its food itself. Here you see in the options, fungi has no chlorophyll, so it cannot make food itself. So the answer is 1 and 2, algae and bacteria. Now coming to the next question. Which of the following substance is not considered as toxic pollutant of water? You know that lead, mercury and cadmium is very harmful for animals. So the here obvious correct answer is carbonic acid. Now coming to, it is a mild acid. Now coming to the next question. It is a question of about computer section. Control, Shift and Alt are called dash keys, modifier keys, function keys, alphanumeric keys and adjustment keys. They are also called Windows keys. Here the correct option is modifier keys. Next, MS Word is an example of an operating system, a processing device, application software, an input device. Here the correct option is an operating system. Next, junk email is also called spam, spoof, sniffer script and spool. Here the correct answer is spam. Now it is the last question. Windows 95, Windows 98 and Windows NT are known as processor, domain names, modem and operating system. You must try yourself, then see the solution. Here the correct answer is operating system. This is for today. Thank you everyone for staying up to this point. If you have any doubts, send us a message at 8335067725 or mail us at electricaleasy@gmail.com. Thank you.